Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class I will be explaining about XOR gate using NAND gate. In the previous class we have seen NAND gate is an universal gate. Why a NAND gate is a universal gate? Because we can design all the basic gates AND, OR and NOT gates using NAND gate. As well, NOR is also an universal gate. So, the basic gates are AND, OR, NOT and universal gates are NAND and NOR. In this class, I will be explaining about how to design an XOR gate using NAND gate. As a quick review, we will see the symbol of XOR gate. XOR gate is the symbol of XOR gate is this one. Inputs are A and B and output is Y. The expression for XOR gate is Y is equal to A XOR B, which is written as A bar B plus AB bar. We can use either this expression or this expression for XOR gate. Coming to the symbol of NAND gate. How the NAND gate looks? In this way, having two inputs and a bubble before this curved part. A, B are the input and Y is the output. The expression for NAND gate is A dot B the whole bar. Okay. So, we have to design an XOR gate using NAND gate. For this, we need De Morgan's theorem. There are two De Morgan's theorem. In this one, we have to use A dot B the whole bar. This is an AND gate. This expression, this theorem we have to use for design of XOR using NAND gate. A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. This is De Morgan's theorem. So, coming to the first step of design, the expression of XOR gate is A bar B plus AB bar. Okay. So, let us draw this one using AND, OR as well as NOT gates. So, we are having two input lines. A, first term we will get A bar. How? By placing a NOT gate. This is A, we are getting here A bar. Now, we have to take another line B, another input line B, okay, like this. So, this is A bar B, A bar and this B. We have to give it to which gate? An AND gate. So, given to an AND gate. So, what we are getting here? A bar dot B. Now, what is the next term we need to get? A dot B bar. So, from here if you darken this point, it means you are taking A and you need B bar. So, from B line connect one NOT gate like this. So, okay. So, you are getting here A and here it is B bar. Give it to AND gate. Here you will get A dot B bar. A bar B plus A dot B bar. You got both the terms. Now, you give it to plus sign. Plus sign means an OR gate. Like this. You have given to an OR gate. So, what is the expression you are getting here? A bar dot B, A bar B plus A B bar. You are getting this expression. Okay. So, this XOR symbol we have drawn the elaborated form of it using AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Now, we have to replace each gate by NAND gate here. So, let us in the second step, what you will do? Suppose if I put a NOT gate here, to nullify this NOT gate, what a NOT gate is doing? It is complementing. If I put a NOT gate here and a bubble here, so what will happen? There is no change in this path. Okay. So, let me draw the diagram. A bar, B, A, B bar. Okay. Up to here it is okay. So, now I want to replace this AND gate by a NAND gate. So, I put a bubble here. If I am putting the inputs here are A and B. If I put a bubble, to nullify this bubble, I have to place one NOT gate. To nullify this bubble, I am placing one NOT gate. And I have to replace this OR gate. What is an bubbled OR gate? A bar, B bar, when they are ORed, you are getting an AND gate. So, you have to change it to a bubbled OR gate. So, to change it to bubble OR gate, to nullify this bubble, I have to place one more AND gate, like this. Okay. So, I will get bubbled OR gate. Okay. First, to this AND gate, I have placed a bubble. Bubble is nothing but complementing. To nullify this bubble, I have placed a NOT gate to it. So, it is same as your AND gate. Again, in the second gate, I have placed a bubble. To nullify this bubble, I have placed one NOT gate. I want to change this OR gate to an NAND gate. A NAND gate is equal to bubbled OR gate. Symbolically, this is De Morgan's theorem is what? Bubble and NAND gate A dot B the whole bar is equivalent to bubbled OR gate. This is a De Morgan's theorem. A bar plus B bar. A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. To have to get bubbled OR gate. So, if I put a bubble, this bubble is to be nullified by a NOT gate. So, I have placed a NOT gate. Okay. So, here you are getting Y. So, this NOT gate gets cancelled. Why? Because suppose let us see the example here. You are having a NOT gate. If it is A, what will be the output of NOT gate? A bar. If you are giving it again to a NOT gate, this A bar is again complemented to A. So, if you are placing two NOT gates, so same input is coming at the output. Okay. So, these two NOT gates are nullified. So, what we can draw here now? We can remove these two NOT gates. A bar, B, you will get A from here and from here B bar, give it to a NAND gate. These two NOT gates are cancelled. So, you are left with only with bubbled OR gate. Yes. So, these two NOT gates are cancelled because of this reason. Two NOT gates is equal to same input. Output will be same as your input. So, what is a expression now? How can you draw a NOT gate using NAND gate? So, you know, if you combine both the terminals of NAND gate, what it is equal to? A NOT gate. Okay. So we can replace this NOT gate by this symbol. And what is bubbled OR gate? A NAND gate. Bubbled OR gate is equal to NAND gate by De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so we can replace and draw the diagram like this NOT is replaced by this NAND gate, and this is B, and from A we are taking, from B we are taking and putting a NOT gate using a NAND gate, and here a NAND gate as usual like this, and then bubbled OR gate is replaced by a NAND gate. Okay, A, B. So we are able to draw the XOR gate using NAND gates only. Okay, I hope you have understood it. So while drawing the circuit diagram, you have to be careful. If you are using A input to give to this gate, you have to darken this point. Similarly, when you are taking B input, you have to darken this point like this. So here you are getting output Y. What is this output Y? Y is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. This is an XOR gate. So what is the summary of this one you have drawn now? You are given an XOR gate. This is symbol, logic symbol of XOR gate is this one. Inputs are A and B, output is Y. The expression is A bar B plus A B bar. What you have to draw? You have to draw this one using NAND gate. So we have elaborated this expression and got the circuit as A bar B, this is A, this is B. From A and B you got this diagram and then given it to an OR gate like this, and you got Y. Okay, this is the first step. This is the second step, and then finally you have placed few NOT gates and replaced the bubbled OR gate using NAND gate and drawn this final diagram. So what is the final circuit diagram you got for this XOR gate? This one. A, B given to a NAND gate, A you are taking, B bar, so B bar is, this is a NOT gate using NAND, and then finally giving it to a NAND gate like this. Okay, this is input is A and inputs are A and B and output is Y. So these are, in this way we are able to draw an XOR gate using NAND gates. So what is the basic equation you have to remember while conversion? De Morgan's theorem. As you are using NAND gate, use this theorem, A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, which indicates NAND gate is equal to bubbled OR gate. Okay, bubbled OR gate. I hope you have understood the class. So Y will be here A bar B plus A B bar. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Good luck, students.